PaycheckCity Budgeting App Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to my PaycheckCity Budgeting App Review Usage Experience. And you'll find links to PaycheckCity in the description below. PaycheckCity is not a traditional budgeting app. Instead, it's primarily known as a paycheck calculator tool that helps you estimate take-home pay after taxes and deductions, which is extremely useful for budgeting, paycheck planning, and understanding your real income. This app is designed for employees, freelancers, and even employers who want to calculate payroll accurately and plan ahead. PaycheckCity lets you enter salary or hourly wages, tax filing status, deductions, and additional income to give you a clear breakdown of net pay, taxes withheld, and benefits contributions. While it's not a full-featured budgeting app like YNAB or Mint, it's valuable for creating realistic budgets based on your actual paycheck. Knowing exactly how much you'll take home makes it easier to allocate money for bills, savings, and discretionary spending. PaycheckCity also helps if you're considering a new job offer and want to compare different pay rates or benefits packages. For freelancers and side hustlers, you can run multiple income scenarios to understand how much to set aside for taxes or estimate cash flow when income fluctuates. If you want to build a paycheck-based budget, PaycheckCity can be paired with your favorite budgeting app to improve accuracy. It's especially helpful for workers in states with complex tax structures because it handles federal, state, and local tax calculations in detail. This is a great tool for anyone living paycheck to paycheck or trying to maximize every dollar by understanding their actual take-home pay to the cent. However, it's important to note that PaycheckCity does not automatically track spending or link to bank accounts, so it's not a replacement for a full budgeting app if you want real-time expense tracking. But if your priority is knowing exactly what you'll earn after taxes and deductions and using that to create a realistic spending plan, PaycheckCity is a highly valuable tool. Overall, PaycheckCity is best for employees, freelancers, and small business owners who want more control and clarity over their paychecks to build smarter budgets. Check the description for links and see if PaycheckCity fits your budgeting workflow.